Hello, welcome to today's video. In today's video you will learn how to change the background of an image. Well, the website we'll be using today, we've used it before. We used it to change to remove the background of an image. If you remember, it's what? remove.bg. But this time you can copy this link to change your background. remove.bg /c/change-background. You can I will put it in the description box so that you will copy it if you want to use it, or you can just type this. So let's go straight ahead. If you want to watch the video on how to remove the background first, because you may have to watch that video first before watching this one. So if you want to watch that video, you can check the top of your screen. I'll place a flashcard there, or you can go to the description box and have access to the video. So what you have to do is upload your image. Okay, I've uploaded the image. Yes, so there are two categories here. You can either put a background image or a background color. The background image, just like the name, is an image for this background here. So if I decide to click anyone, it will display on the background. So this is it. So you choose the one that you like. If it's color, you can choose a particular color for you to use. You can see it. If you want to learn how to straighten a slant image, you can also check the screen for the flashcard, or go to the description box and check the link to it. So you are done. You just have to, it just depends on you. Which color do you want? Which background image do you want to use? You can decide to use any of them. Then next thing you have to do is to do what? Is to download. Once you download it, it will save to your PC. So it is done. Yeah, this is it. You can see how sweet the picture is looking. So if you want yours to be like this, where you've learned it, no need to give a graphic designer, or if you're a graphic designer, no need to pay for the app. Just have this. Then if you need some retouching and some re-editing, you can use your skill to do it. Thank you. I know you enjoyed this video, so don't enjoy alone. Share the video for others to learn, and do subscribe so that you will always be the first to get notice while we post the video. Don't forget to turn on the notifications bell. See you in the next video.